Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian. I'm with Upper Valley Artistry. Today I'm going to do another piece. So what I'm going to do is a 15 by 30 canvas again, and we're going to use some different colors. So let's get started. So I'm going to use an Amsterdam turquoise blue. I'm going to use Liquitex Dioxazine purple. I'm going to use FolkArt Treasure Gold. It's like a 24 karat gold. I just got my Deco Art 24 karat gold metallic that came in the mail today. So I stocked up on those because they've been out for so long, I guess, because of COVID. Anyway, so we're going to do Pebeo Iridescent Blue Green. I'm going to use Amsterdam's Prussian Blue. And I'm going to use Pebeo's Iridescent Violet Blue. Again, don't know why it's blue because it's very pink, magenta-like. All right, so what I'm going to do is put the white down first. I'm going to pop the air bubbles, and then we'll start layering the colors. Let's get this white down. Again, this is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White, and all my paint is mixed the same way. I'm using 80 grams of Floetrol, 40 grams of paint, and 40 grams of water. You always want to make sure your sides get coated because the last thing you want to do is create a nice little piece and the sides are not covered. Torch, get the air bubbles out. Actually, not too many in here. Let's do this. All right, let's get this torched. Okay, so this was interesting to say the least. I didn't think about those directions on how I was going to blow. There is a lot of shimmer in this piece. Let's see, I used two iridescents plus a gold, so that's gonna make that shine. Yeah. This is good stuff. All right, I'm gonna leave this alone. And like always, we want to scrape underneath. We want all of the drips to be scraped off, because if you don't, those drips kind of think of like weights. And so it's just gonna continue to pull the paint off of the canvas, which we don't want. So if you just take a stick and you run it along, like so. Gonna torch. The iridescence and the 24 karat gold really create cells all by themselves. But I don't want to hold the torch, don't hold the flame too close, because if you do, that will kind of like burn the paint and create these little microscopic cells, which I don't want, I should say. Some people are okay with that. This one little spot here, do not like. And that's the good thing too, guys. If you don't like something, wipe it off. Take a little bit of your paint. Put it on it. Voila. Okay, I will take you down off the tripod and let you see this. Look at all of the cells. No silicone, guys. No silicone whatsoever. Water, Floetrol, and the paint. I couldn't be happier how this turned out. All right, so once this dries, I'll put it up on the wall to get you a quick video of how it looks. And then after that, it's gonna get a coat of crystal resin, and then it'll be for sale. Okay, everyone, here's the finished piece. It's been drying. It's been almost 24 hours. These colors are awesome, man. The iridescence really mixed well, created all these great cells. I mean, I just couldn't be happier with this piece. Look at the shimmer. That's that gold from FolkArt. This isn't even Deco art. It's FolkArt's gold. So I really can't wait to mess with the 24 karat gold from Deco art. And these iridescents from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. Wow. Check out the cells. This, I mean, just dried amazing. All right, so once I get crystal resin on this, I will show you guys what that looks like. Again, if you like my pieces, you want to purchase them, they are available. You can email me at briansfluidart@gmail.com. Again, if you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. You'll get notified when I post a new video. All right, thank you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.